Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to solve forgotten Google Play Store account password on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, if you are forgot your Google Play Store account password, don't worry, you can recover it by following these steps. Okay, first thing first, open please Google Play Store application on your device. Well, after that, click profile icon at the top and then tap on Google account here. Okay, so now please swipe to security option. Well, and then please scroll down and select password option. Then you can create a new password for your Google Play Store account. Okay, and then confirm your new password. After that, click change password here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to solve forgot Google Play Store account password on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.